Oh, hi. My name's Jens, and I like doing fun shit. So, I'm going camping tonight, out of my 4Runner, all by myself. Alright, I'm hungry. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my humble abode, everyone. For those who are new here, like I said, my name is Jens, and more than doing fun shit, I love the outdoors, and I love camping. I love my 4Runner. I've been building this thing out on my own, and documenting the process and all the adventures I take it on. Finally made it to camp. We lucked out getting our spot tonight, barely got it. I was supposed to bring cash apparently to pay for the campground, but I didn't know that, so luckily I was able to Venmo the dude. I also can't remember the last time I camped at a real camp spot. So, I figured why not for tonight, change up the scenery. No longer in the desert, obviously. Yeah, there's some perks, I guess, to a real campsite. And luckily no one's out here. So as you might be able to tell, the 4Runner looks quite different. I have been upgrading a lot of different things over the past few weeks, and I'd like to show them off, because they're pretty sweet, I think. Starting with headlights. These are new. I got them from Desert Fit Industries. They just make the 4Runner look so much more aggressive. And they have a lot of sweet features. Like, this thing is amber, and the actual headlight can turn from white to yellow, which is really nice off-roading. Next up on the upgrades is this roof rack. Stupid freaking mic fell off my camera. Anyway, yes, this roof rack. No more vans underneath the roof rack. And finally, that light bar right there. That thing looks sweet as well, I think. I absolutely love this light bar. I think it looks so good. I wired it up myself right to here, so boom. Look at that. I was actually sent this light bar by a company called LAS Fit, or Last Fit, whatever. And let me tell you, it's actually a whole lot nicer than I thought it'd be. For the price point, it's only like $200, which is crazy for a light bar, especially an amber one. And it works so well. It was so easy to mount up, super bright, and it does its job perfectly, and I think it looks super badass. If you want to get one yourself, I'll leave a link for it in the description. Alright, let's cook dinner. For dinner tonight, I'm going to be trying to make fish and chips. I've never made these, so hopefully they turn out alright. But they looked really yummy. I'm gonna make some fries first because I feel like that might take longer to cook. this is a fish of choice. Cod. It smells fishy. From what I've seen online, you just make a batter out of like flour and water, so. Oh. Fried chick, fried chick. Bam. Looking delicious. Garlic. Alright. I'm calling that good. I don't know what this white stuff is on my fish. I think it's the skin. And it's not coming off, so we're gonna cook it with it, I guess, and hope it doesn't do anything weird. Alright, fries, make room. Okay, number one. Okay. It's low-key cold out. I hope I packed enough. I was not expecting it to be this cold. It's probably 40 degrees Fahrenheit right now. It's definitely going to get below freezing tonight, I think. But, fuck it. Who cares? Well, the fish and chips smells really good. Hopefully it turns out alright. Come on out. It's a requirement that I eat this by the fire. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish, man. Woo-wee. I think she's done. Oh my gosh. Can you believe I just cooked this shit out of my car? These fries are perfect, so crispy. I hate how every fast food place it's not fucking crispy. Oh damn! Come on. I also made a homemade tartar, however the hell you say it. What the hell? 10 out of 10, bro. I've never made these before, and they turn out perfectly. They're so crispy and so flavorful, juicy and soft. Bangin' dinner. Wow. It's a bad day to be some fish and chips. Let's just say that. I wasn't a huge fish and chips guy until literally a few years ago, so I've only had them a handful of times, but that was really good. Welcome to my rooftop tent. I love it up here, it's so cozy. I can hear the river in the background right now, and it is so peaceful. It's like the perfect white noise to fall asleep to. And the stars are insane tonight. I really need to figure out how to get pictures of those. I got the Witcher from... There's someone outside. I definitely just heard someone. Or something outside. It's been like 5 minutes, and I haven't heard anything again, but that was kind of freaky. Anyway, I got The Witcher 3 for my birthday last week, so I've been playing it a lot, and it is very fun. I can't believe I haven't played this game yet. What the shit is that? You want to see something dope? Look at this. Ready? Come on. Tell me that isn't the sickest freaking headlamp you've ever seen. I've never seen one do that. Maybe there's a bunch that do that. I don't know. Nightcore, this company reached out and sent me this to try, and I've been using it all night and actually for like a month now and on all my camping trips, and it's been really good. No complaints. So if you think this thing looks pretty badass and you want to get one, I'll put a link down in the description too. Alright, I'm going to bed now. can officially say that was by far the best sleep I have ever gotten in my tent. And I spent a ridiculous amount of nights up in that tent. So that's a bold claim. There was absolutely no wind. You can hear this river flowing in the background, so it was like perfect white noise. And the temperature was perfect. I think we were just getting around 32 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit, which I like because you can get real cozy. I made my own creation of egg and bacon on a tortilla. After this, I'm going to pack up, head out of here. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video all the way through if you did. And see you guys in the next one.